Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to search for the job on LinkedIn platform. Okay, so let's get started. So we all know that LinkedIn is one of the most famous platform where you can search for any kind of job, whether you want to search for the job in your area or you want to search for the job in other state or in any part of the world. Okay, so not only you can search for the job, you can apply for the job and you can also connect with the particular HR. You can send a message to them, you can interact with them, you can just discuss about the roles and responsibility. You can also discuss about like what kind of job you are looking for. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to tell you like how you can search for the job on LinkedIn platform. Okay, so once you logged into your LinkedIn account, so on the top you can see home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, and all. Okay, so click on the jobs. Okay, so once you click on the job on top here, you can see title, skill, or company, and next to that here you can see India. Okay, suppose if you are looking for any kind of job, so let's take an example of suppose if you are looking for a data analyst role. Okay, so you can type data analyst and here you can type like whether you are looking for the job in India or you are looking for the job in Bangalore or you are looking for the job in Mumbai, Chennai or Delhi or anywhere. Okay, and if you select India, like it will show like all the parts of India, whether it can be Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai or Chennai. Okay, suppose if you select Bangalore, it will show the job openings in Bangalore. Okay, so I have selected data analyst and here I have selected Bangalore. So once I press search or once I search for it, so here you can see the various job openings in Bangalore. Okay, so on top here you can see some of the other options like jobs or the jobs within 40 kilometers. And here you can see some more options like the date posted. Okay, so here you can see the date posted, like the whether that particular job is posted within 24 hours or it's been posted last week or the past month. You can select any one of the option and here you can select it. Okay, and here you can see the experience level, whether you are looking for the internship or entry level or you are looking for the associate role or the mid senior level role, director level role or the executive level. Okay, so here you can see the company options, like here you can search for the job, like you are looking for the job in any specific company. Suppose if you are looking for the job in for example, if you are looking for the job in Microsoft. Okay, for Microsoft, if I select Microsoft, so here it is showing show zero results. That means like there is no openings in the Microsoft for the data analyst role. Okay, if I select Google company and here if I click on show results. Okay, if I click on the show results, so here you can see all the jobs in the Google company. Okay, you can search for that as well. So here you can see the various company options. So whether you are looking for the job in Turing or you're looking for the job in Accenture or you can looking for the job in Coders Brain, Wells Fargo, Google, Genpact, or like that. Okay, so here you can see some more options like whether you are looking for the on-site job or remote job or the hybrid job. Okay, so here you can see one more option like easy apply. So if you select the easy apply, like only the easy apply jobs will be shown here. Okay, so this is how you can apply for the job on LinkedIn platform. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.